I just pulled around the highway in my little foreign car. Well, it's raining and the road is really bad. Never saw that big old diesel, but I heard him hit the air. I've got a feeling that I might have made him mad. He closed the gap between us, pushed the pedal on the floor. It's making 90 in that big old diesel truck. I can hear the words he's calling me above the engine roar, and the words that won't be found in Webster's book. There's a diesel on my tail and making 90 miles an hour. My reflection in my mirror's not a fail. I can hear St. Peter calling, I can almost smell the flowers, and a scumbag take the impact does the diesel on my tail. Well, I'm huffing and puffing as I try to make the grade, and I wish I had some pedals on this car. Then I'm slipping and sliding and afraid to touch the brake, for this doodleback could never stand the jar. There's the diesel on my tail and making 90 miles an hour. My reflection in my mirror's not a pale. I can hear St. Peter calling, I can almost smell the flowers, and the scumbag take the impact does the diesel on my tail. Well, I'm slipping and sliding, trying to hold it on the road, and I tell you I just got to win this race. While I'm trembling and shaking, he's a-pouring on the cold, so close that I could steal his license plate. There's the diesel on my tail and making 90 miles an hour. My reflection in my mirror's not a pale. I can hear St. Peter calling, I can almost smell the flowers, and his compact take the impact does the diesel on my tail. And his compact take the impact does the diesel on my tail.